Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today we'll make a very delicious, yummy, soft and moist chocolate mud cake. This cake is super delicious and we'll make this without oven. So let's check out what ingredients we'll be needing to make this super delicious chocolate mud cake. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 100 grams of salted butter, 4 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of toned milk, 50 grams of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, quarter teaspoon of baking soda. So let's start making our cake. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the sugar. So into the sugar we'll start cracking the eggs. So here you go. So what we'll do is we'll mix the egg and sugar together nicely. So I've mixed this for around 3 minutes, not more than that, and it's nice and fluffy as you can see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the butter into it. Make sure you keep the butter on room temperature and not frozen. So here you go, and into this I'm going to add the vanilla essence. Now we'll mix this up. So here you go. The egg, sugar and butter has been well incorporated. So you get a nice smooth paste. This took me 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so now I'm going to add the all-purpose flour and soda, baking powder. So now I'm going to just mix this up together. You can also sift it together. Alright, this is all mixed up, and I'm going to put this into the egg batter. Okay, I've sifted the flour. We'll slowly start mixing this up together. So now as you'll see that it's becoming thick. Now we start adding the milk. So here I've added half cup of milk. So I'm mixing it slowly. Make sure there are no lumps formed. Mix it very nicely. As you can see, it's turning into a nice, shiny and smooth batter. Whisk it up. So now again I'm going to add more milk. So altogether I'm going to add the entire milk quantity, which is 1 cup. Make sure that you use same cup measurement for the sugar, all-purpose flour and the milk. Mix it up nicely. Now it's time to add our main ingredient, that is cocoa powder, which I'm going to add. And we'll give it a nice mix. The aroma of cocoa powder is like amazing. So just go on mixing it up. And now we need more milk. So here you go. 1 cup milk is all into the batter. And this looks amazing, isn't it? So just keep on mixing. So now our batter is all ready. And I'm going to make sure that there is no lump formed inside. It's nice and smooth. As you can see, the consistency is amazing. It has to fall like this. Alright. So our batter is ready. Now we'll bake it. To bake our delicious cake, what I've done is I've taken a normal pot in which we cook rice. Usually I cook rice in this pot. So into this I've lined this with butter paper and some butter over it. Alright, so I'm going to pour in the cake mixture. So to bake the cake, what I've done is I've taken a large pot, as you can see, and into this I've kept a stand. So into this I'm going to put our pot of chocolate cake. Here you go. It's all set, and onto this I'm going to keep the lid on. So we'll bake this cake on very low flame, as you can see, for 1 hour and around 30 minutes. It's been 1 hour and 30 minutes, so I'm going to check on our cake. As you can see, this looks lovely. So let's check our cake with a wooden skewer. If this comes clean, your cake is all done. As you can see, the skewer is clean. And so I've cooled down this a little bit, and now I'm going to remove this onto a plate. Alright, our cake is all done and this looks absolutely delicious. So I'm going to cut it, and I must tell you, this cake has turned out so delicious, and I hope you like the recipe. Do give it a try, and please let me know in the comments box below how it turned out. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and do subscribe to my channel. Do take care of yourself. Until my next video, Allah Hafiz. Bye.